Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive deep into the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're exploring a word that carries a lot of historical and emotional weight: assassination. This is a C1 level noun that means a targeted killing, often for political or ideological reasons. It's a word we hear in history books, news reports, and even in literature, so understanding its nuances can really broaden your vocabulary. Let's break it down. Assassination refers to the deliberate killing of someone, usually someone in a prominent or influential position. For example, the assassination of the president shocked the nation. You'll notice that this word often implies planning, secrecy, or motive. It's not just any killing, it's calculated and purposeful. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like murder, execution, and killing are close in meaning, but each carries its own subtle difference. For instance, the detective investigated the mysterious murder of a public figure, or the rebels faced execution after their failed uprising. While these words are similar, assassination tends to be tied to someone's status or role, making it unique. On the other hand, we have antonyms. Words like protection, preservation, or even rescue can highlight the opposite intent. For example, the bodyguards ensured the president's protection during the event, or the preservation of the ambassador's life was the top priority. These examples show a focus on saving or safeguarding rather than harm. So, how might we use assassination in everyday life? While the word might not come up often in casual conversation, you might hear it when discussing history, politics, or current events. For instance, the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand was a key event that led to World War I. Or many documentaries explore the details of famous assassinations throughout history. Here are a few more examples to cement this word in your mind. The plot to carry out an assassination was uncovered just in time. The novel begins with the assassination of a beloved leader, setting the stage for a political thriller. She studied the impact of the assassination on the nation's stability. To wrap things up, assassination is a powerful and specific word that speaks to intent and consequence, making it an important part of advanced vocabulary. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps more language lovers discover the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Can you create your own sentence using assassination? Share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.